Good morning, guys. Punta pala kami sa... Where are we going again? Italian Center?
Yeah, in the Value Village.
In the Value Village. Baka hapon. Nag-snow. Nakita niyo yung isisingit ko yung clips na nakuha ko. Grabe yung snow namin kahapon. Ang dami. Nag-start na talaga ng winter. So, dito pala kami sa Value Village. Isa siyang thrift store. Hinahanap lang namin yung meron silang thermal printer. Pero parang wala ata siyang makita. Tignan natin. O anong nakita niya? Dito siya books. You find any?
No.
No? Regular printers?
Yeah.
No?
How about you?
No, there's nothing there.
What's in this one? Number 7.
Yan, tumitingin siya ng mga what do you call it? Computer books?
Yeah.
Or old computer books.
Oh, open the Solarian.
Yeah, babayad na kami.
Oh.
Tapos na kami, bumili lang pala kami ng libro. Itong books na to. Yung mga old books to. Guys, tapos na kami sa Value Village thrift store. Punta na kami sa anong tawag yan? Anong tawag yan? Kalimutan ko na. Sa Italian Center. Ano ba yan? Nawawala na sa isip ko na. Makakalimutin na talaga ako. Hindi ko na alala kung saan kami pupunta. Medyo maaraw na ngayon. Hindi mo siya ganun kalamig. Pero yung hangin kasi ang malamig eh. Yun. Kaya ayan. So, people going to Costco.
Oh.
Guys, nandito na naman kami sa Italian Baker. Bibili ulit kami ng tinapay na gusto niya. Mga parang gusto niya. So there are treasure buns and the ciabatta bread.
Yeah, which one you want?
They're not gluten free.
Oh.
You can't have them if it's not gluten free.
Oh, should I get them or no?
Yeah.
Some?
Hindi kasi ako, pagka may gluten yung pagkain, sumasakit yung tiyan ko. Kaya kailangan ko ng gluten free lagi na pagkain. Para hindi sumakit yung tiyan ko. You got 2.
Yeah?
Yeah, sila. This one. Bibili din pala ako ng olives dito. Bago pa kami makauwi, ubos na yung pagkain namin. Ito lang natira. Ito na lang. And ito, kinakain ko pa siya. So, wala na talagang natira. Sa kinakain niya na yung, yung croissant niya. Yung cheese croissant niya. Kaya, pagdating sa bahay, mga pagkain lang to na puro sa mga bata. Yan guys, nakauwi na pala kami. Oh, where's this thing? Ang kakainin pala namin is yung binili namin kanina sa... the plate. Sa, ang tawag niyan sa Italian Center. Yung... What do you call that? That's not panini, right? What do you call that one?
It is, I think. I don't know.
What kind is that?
I think it's today.
Is it? Can I see? Ayan yung pagkain namin. Oh, yan what bread is this?
Oh, it's just a...
Here.
Okay.
And just eat one. Grabe, ang laki pala nito. Ang laki, oh. Guys, nandito pala kami sa taekwondo school ng aming anak. What is it, baby? You have a photo shoot today? Meron ng photo shoot, so antay lang natin. Mamaya, na kami. Mamaya, papasok na kami. Pero 3:30 pa naman. Anong oras na ba? What time is it, baby? Huh? I don't know. What time is it now? You gotta fix your hair. Oh, look at your hair. I fixed your hair. What happened? Padami na padami yung mga dumadating. Mamaya na ulit. Guys, nandito na kami sa loob. Ayan, nakapila na si Asron. Kaya, nag-aantay na lang siya ng turn niya. Ayun siya, pakita ko sa inyo. Kaso ang daming bata.
go on that side, and then I'm gonna ask Lucy to come over here. Very nice. And
Kapit na si Aswin. Isa na lang. Siya na yung susunod. Siya na yung susunod after nito. Siya na pala yung nakasalang sa photoshoot nila.
nice. Can we get a serious one? No smile? Nice. And then can you look here? Nice big smile. Very cool. Yes, perfect. Okay, so what did you do? A fighting stance? Yep. And then can you do that with that? And then bend his knee. More. More. Hands up. Perfect. Nice. Hold up. Can you chin up? Big smile. That's good. And then let's get, you can turn around. We're going to basically do this. We're going to go like this, back down. And then you're going to face it back. And then you're going to look down towards the ground. Over here. More. There you go. Yeah, yeah. No, that was perfect. Like, look maybe over here. Like right there. There you go. Hold that. And then look here. Look here, yeah, perfect. And then, yeah, just do a fighting stance again towards me. Fighting stance, perfect. And then you can, yeah, face me. Bring this foot forward one. Perfect. Awesome. All right, looks good.
Tapos na kami. Antayin ko lang siya magsuot ng kanyang sapatos. Ayan. Kailangan kasi nakapaa sila dun. Wala sa ano. Ayan, kailangan walang socks. So, kaya ayan. Okay, get your stuff, babe. Your thing. Ayan. Let's go na. Let's go na. I have to put this on my bag. Okay, we gotta go. Let's go. Oh, let's go quick. The car is right there. Let's go quick. Look at your socks, oh. Look at the bottom. The other side, to the other side. There you go. Let's go now. Uwi na kami. Uwi na kami. Let's go. Tapos na yung aming. Let's go. Pauwi na pala kami. Tapos na siya ang tawag na, yung photo niya. So, mag-aantay na lang daw kami ng 2 to 3 weeks. Since marami ang mga nagpapapicture. Hello guys! Yan, nagre-ready na ako. Dahil mag-grocery pala kami. Nikita anong oras na ba? It is actually 4:30 na ata. Kasi kaya late kaming mag-grocery kasi on call siya today. So, kaya hindi kami nakapag-grocery ng maaga. So, kaya ako nag-get ready na ako dahil malapit na siya umuwi. Buong maghapon nag-snow dito. Siguro nasa 25 centimeters ang aming snow. Makikita nyo mamaya sa labas. Paglabas ko, ano na, lubog na yung sasakyan ko. Puro snow na yung sasakyan ko. Kaya, ang gagamitin namin is yung sasakyan ni Keith. Kasi ako, tatabad akong magtanggal ng snow. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. Ayan guys, dumating na si Keith. Nag-shovel na lang siya ng driveways. Ayan, grabe ang aming snow ngayon today. Ayan, nag-shovel siya. Yes, I'm ready. Okay. Alis na kami. Ayan siya. Ito pala yung sasakyan ko. Ganyan karami. Ito yung sasakyan ko. Naka-bury siya sa sa snow. Ayan o. Ang daming snow. Dry snow. You're gonna meet Garda 9 in the morning?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, we really have a big snow today. The roads are not passable? I know. Ang dami oh. Tingnan yun na siya. Dry snow pa naman siya.
Run for parts 100 times, dude.
Really?
Walk 5, 6 blocks, yeah.
Costco. I need to go to Costco first. Yeah. I'll grocery na. Rin na kami. Grabe yung aming... oh! Grabe yung aming dadaanan. Halos wala na kaming madaanan. Sabi ni Keith, pakita ko sa inyo yung dadaanan namin.
Trying to order a shutter for that call tomorrow. Well, I have one in my van. I don't know why it's taking them so long.
Halos wala na kaming madaanan. Hindi mo makita yung road. Ayan, no? Ayan, no? Hindi mo makita ang road. Talagang winter na. Ayan siya.
This is what your parents wanted to see.
Yeah.
What's she gonna go downtown?
Oh, they have the Christmas market. Ito ang aming dinadaanan ngayon. Like, wala na talagang madaanan.
It's gonna be another heavy OT beach van. Today and then tomorrow. Smart journey. Especially once I consider like all my. So how do you think Popeye is open till tonight? Let's go to Costco first.
Very close now. Guys, all over the place ang aming mga sakyan dahil masyadong mataas ang snow, so tsaka slick. Ayun siya. Winter na talaga.
One of those little baby ones.
And guys, nandito na kami. Dito na kami sa Costco. Tingnan mo ang aming dadaanan ay puro snow.
So you're doing your thing.
I know. That's so slick.
If you do taekwondo.
Yeah. This is just the beginning of snow. Basta kami. Ang hirap mag-tulak ng ano. Tignan mo. Grabe yung pagtutulak namin. Super effort yung aming pagtutulak. Guys, pauwi na kami. Medyo malakas lang yung heater namin. Ayan, yung dadaanan namin medyo slippery and icy. Ayan o. Napaka-icy niya kasi yung road namin kasi wala ka nang makikitang daan. Ayan o. It's not focusing there. Hindi mo talaga alam kung nasan yung mga daanan niya. Ayan o. Wala kang makikita saan. Nakauwi na kami. Nakauwi na din pala yung anak ko. Yun yung sasakyan niya. So, hindi ba tapos sikit mag-shovel? Ang dami pa niyang snow. Ayun. So, mag-ano muna kami. Mababa muna kami ng grocery. Anong oras na? Nagala na naman kami dahil kukunin lang namin yung in-order naming pizza. Ayan. Kasi ang dami pa rin snow, oh. Kaya, hindi pa rin siya. Ito na. Ano? Am I gonna be able to get out?
Get out? You should be able to. Why not?
No, my car is full underneath.
Yeah,
Outside, it's gonna be fine. Okay.
I can't do nothing about it right now. You have to wait till it's.
It's warmed up.
Where do we have to go to?
The one by McConaughey.
Up there?
The one by the petrol station.
Okay.
Yeah, that. So, ayan, pupunta na kami sa ang tawag yan? Sa pizza place. Dahil yun ang dinner na itong mga to. Ayun guys, nakabalik na kami. Kamuntikan pa akong madulas. Ano ba yan? Ito na kami. Grabe kasi yung ano namin, yung sidewalk na lang naman yung gusto nila. Yung crazy bread ng Little Caesars. Gustong gusto nila yan. Tapos ang gusto lang nila is pepperoni na stuffed crust. Dalawa siya. Ano ba yan? Ayan o. Pepperoni stuffed crust.